9 miles IELTS.
Yeah.
Okay, now this thing is what we say like discuss both the sides. So sometimes what happens is they will give you no opinion. Okay, this type is called discuss both the side, but discussion essay with a no opinion. Okay,
Okay.
so over here you are not having any opinion to say. All right. We see the question. Some people think that children should be taught to be competitive in school. Others, however, say that cooperation and team working skills are important. Okay, so definitely it is like first paragraph will be made on how children should be competitive in school, right? What are the benefits
Yeah.
of it and all. Second
Yeah.
paragraph will be on the team working skills are more
Teamwork
important.
skills.
Okay,
Yeah.
and now they are
Okay.
saying you no opinion, like they are just saying you discuss both the sides. So you will discuss both the side and you will write a conclusion. You will not write a opinion from your side because the question is not
Okay.
asking for it.
Okay.
Okay with that, right?
Yes. Sir, then in the thesis line, then no need to write like in my belief,
In the thesis you will
in my
you
opinion, I believe like.
okay, got it. Yeah, for discussion essays you can avoid writing in my opinion word only. You can simply start
Okay.
I believe.
Okay.
Okay, so you can simply start I believe and then you can mention, because that could confuse examiner, like what you really
Okay.
want to say. Okay, now I'll give you example of opinions first. Now opinion can be of three types. When the question is asking give opinion, you can give I'll just write down. You can have one-sided opinion. Okay, balanced
Okay.
opinion, or you can have specific opinion.
Okay.
Okay, now for example, just imagine or just remember yesterday we did an exam essay on vegetarian and non-vegetarian diet.
Yes.
You remember, right?
Yeah.
So this, if we remember that question, and it was saying like something all people should have vegetarian diet because non-vegetarian diet is unhealthy or something like that, right?
Yes. Yes.
So supposing that same question came, but this time it's not asking for agree disagree, it is asking for discuss both the point and give your opinion. Okay,
Okay.
so now you have a choice while writing the opinion paragraph. Either you can write one-sided opinion, means you can say no, only vegetarian diet is healthy. Okay, like in
Okay.
your opinion, you can say in my opinion, and then you can start your paragraph and you can talk about though there are one or two meats which are healthy to eat, but still vegetarian diet is the only one which should be
Definitely.
eaten or something like that. Okay, so that comes
Okay.
the veg. You are totally framing one-sided opinion. Second is
Okay.
called a balanced opinion, where you talk about like it depends upon the person. One can have a vegetarian diet or a non-vegetarian diet as per the person's beliefs or something. Otherwise, there is no
Yeah.
as such discrimination between them or something. Like you will take a balanced opinion. Okay,
Okay.
like you can say both are healthy to eat.
Yeah.
Overall, you will say, right? Over here, you are saying only veg diet.
Veg diet is.
And then comes a specific opinion where you are not talking about veg or non-veg. You will talk about a third thing that is you feel is specific. Like you remember the balance, having a balanced diet.
Yeah. Having a balanced diet
So
is good.
yeah, so that
Yeah.
was a
We can write
specific
here.
opinion. Having a balanced diet with more veg
And
and moderate amount
moderate amount of meat.
of non-veg, right? Or meat or
Non-veg.
something
Yeah. Meat or something. Yes.
is best.
Is best for the evening.
So that becomes a specific opinion.
Okay.
You got it, right? Like one
Yeah.
is that one-sided, another is balanced, and third is specific. All three are correct. It is not like you can go with only one. It totally depends upon you how you want to go for the opinion.
Okay. Okay. If they said like discuss the both points and give your opinion, then it's my choice that how can I write it, like the one-sided
Yes,
or specific or balanced one,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. But
Okay.
always the specific one will be the most unnatural one. Why? Because like not all students will be going with a specific one.
Yeah.
You got the point, right? Like the
Yep.
only thing is that you need to see how I can make it specific. Okay, just see the question above. Can you try making a specific opinion for this one? Just think of for it on like 1 minute.
For the space of the imagination. Like we can say that the team working skills and the competition is both are necessary for the child during their education.
Okay.
Like they can learn about the two things together in like in early age.
Okay. Yes, you're
For
going
the
correct. You can
teaching
say like the teamwork and cooperation skills are more important during the
more
early age,
important during the
during the
early age.
childhood, and being competitive
Yeah.
is more important while the higher degrees are there, right? Like
Yeah.
at that time, being competitive could get an edge during getting a job or something, right?
Yeah.
So being competitive should be
Being,
kept for the
uh,
later classes, like higher secondary
yes.
or secondary classes, right?
To be successful in their later life, competition is also good.
Yes, good. We can go with that. Okay. Can you take a
Okay.
screenshot here? Because this question
Yes.
is definitely your homework with a specific opinion, but I'll still
Okay.
make you see how you can write it.
Okay. It's done, sir.
Okay. Now see, people have different perspective on whether schools ought to focus. Now see, they are doing the paraphrasing on teaching children to compete or work together as a team. Then while some
Yeah.
people think competition is more important, others consider that it is better for children to learn to cooperate with it. So this is something you can make it like, while I believe some that competition is more important or
Very
something.
important.
So that is a thesis,
Yes.
right? You can handle that.
Yeah.
Now see the ideas for the first and second paragraph. Children who learn to compete against each other often do better in school, according to some. In other words, competition between students motivate them to excel in their studies or task which consequently
Yes.
produces better academic performance and result. For example, students generally apply themselves and work harder when they are in direct competition with their classmates. Then, furthermore, it is commonly believed that being driven to achieve the best is vital in order to succeed later in life when, as adults, they must compete against each other in
Against
the
the
job market.
in the job market.
Right? So that becomes for the
Yeah.
that thing, and then competitive thing now becomes teamwork. On the other hand, it is often thought it is better if the emphasis at school is on cooperating with others in a team. People do not live, work, or socialize apart from others. So, learning how to work alongside others ought to be means must be. So, whenever you want to write must, you can go for ought to. Okay?
Okay.
So, must be taught from childhood. Without these skills, children would lack the ability to communicate with each other or know how to deal with confrontations and conflicts in a constructive way.
Mhm.
Then it comes like another reason why team skills are useful for children is that they can learn how to negotiate with others to complete a task, which are useful skills to have for their future. Then comes in
Okay.
conclusion, many people think that children need to become more competitive, whereas others think it is best for a child to focus on working together.
Together.
Okay with that, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, if I go with the now this was a balance. If I go with one-sided opinion, so what they did is actually you should make a second paragraph, but they tried to complete their opinion in the conclusion. I think children stand a better chance to succeed if they are encouraged to compete each other. Can you see? Like they instead of making a third paragraph, they wrote it in a conclusion. But I would say you write your conclusion already the way you are writing it, and in the
Okay.
conclusion you will be confused that whether you need to mention your opinion or not. So no, you don't have to mention your opinion in the conclusion. Why? Because just before writing the conclusion you stated your opinion, right? So in the
Yes.
conclusion you need not write your opinion again. Okay, just make a
Okay.
third opinion paragraph and write the conclusion based on first and second paragraph, the
First
way
or
you were doing.
second paragraph.
Okay,
Yeah.
so but your opinion start like, in my opinion, I think that children stand a better chance. So this could be the opinion
Mhm.
paragraph in a more elaborative way, but you can
Yeah.
make a third
Yeah.
one. And then comes a
Okay.
specific one, the way you were having it. See, finally, in my view, both skills are indispensable. This is a specific one. Okay, it will start, finally will not be there. Never use any connector before that. You can write, in my view, in my opinion. Both
Okay.
skills are indispensable for a child's future, but the focus should depend on a child's age. While young children need to learn how to communicate effectively and learn to work with others, older children who are starting to take exams and be assessed on their academic performance would benefit more from competition. Schools therefore need to be flexible as to when to focus on one over the other. Okay with that, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this becomes your specific
Specific.
opinion. So something like this I need tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay with that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, can you take a screenshot? The question says a friend has written to you asking for advice about a problem at work. You have had a similar problem in the past.
The
Then you
first.
have to write a reply to tell your friend you understand the problem, explain what happened to you in the past, and suggest a possible solution to the problem.
Okay.
Okay with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just take a screenshot.
Okay, sir. It's done.
It's done, right? So you can attempt this, no problem.
Yeah. I can do that.
Okay, great. Okay, there is a site of 9 miles only, okay, with the
Mm-hmm.
NMILS name, okay, like nmiles.com. If you want, you can take this screenshot or something for this one. You go on this site, you click on IELTS writing, okay,
Okay.
and there are, like, if you go on IELTS reading, there are a lot of tips for different questions and techniques to solve them, so you can read them also whenever you are free.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then you go on with this, you go down and there are images like you want to academic, general, or this one. So the essays that are there in the task 2 written inside and the general one. Earlier they started this initiative, then they are not uploading any more essays. I don't know why, but like, why it is good, because these are the essays, okay, what we
Hmm.
call memory based essays, like you gave the exam, okay, and I know that you are a very good student and you are definitely gonna score 8 bands, okay, and
Okay.
you went in the examination hall, you wrote this question, okay, and then you came back and I told you to write the same attempt for me again.
Okay.
You got it? And then after that,
Yeah.
might be the attempt is almost 90-95% similar. One or two lines
Yeah.
could be different. And that student actually got, like, some 8 bands or 8.5 bands or above 7, like. So their
Okay.
responses are recorded in here, like, how they wrote the essay over there.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the, like, see, this student wrote 333 words in the
Yeah.
actual exam. So the limit is not the number, and you can
Like,
see.
like sir, here everyone told me that do not write more, like not beyond like 250 words. Otherwise, they're gonna cut your
No, no,
scores.
no, that is not the
Everyone
case.
told me.
That is not the
So
case.
that's why I always write like
But
Maximum 250.
that was actually, eating up the important lines and the content that you needed to provide. So you can go easily 320, 330. That's not an issue.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this time at least
Yeah.
try 320 or 310 and give good content. So, and just make sure, what I feel, your bands can only be deducted if examiner find the mistakes before you find it. Like
Yeah.
otherwise, you are writing in format, you are not conducting any mistake or something. The only problem is sometimes some line is not making sense. But if examiner
Yeah.
will find it, definitely it is going to for the band deduction. But if you find it and correct it, so there are chances of much better
Yeah.
bands.
I'll try to save like 5 minutes for reading so
Okay,
that I
I'll
can.
tell you the technique how to attempt it. You first go, you
Okay.
attempt the writing task 2. Okay. Then
Okay.
you attempt the writing task 1, because writing is more
Okay.
important and it should be completed. And you try and save like almost 8 to 10 minutes at the end. Okay. So once both
Okay.
the tasks are written, now you have just written the letter, right? So
Okay.
from your brain that task 2 is flushed out somehow, right? Because you were struggling to
Yeah.
write the letter. Now you go and
Yeah.
read your essay, because if you will just read the essay after writing it, your brain will read the
Okay.
mistake also in the correct way. It happens
Okay.
because, like, because just
Yeah.
before that you were typing in your brain, you were writing correct, but the things were getting wrong in typing. And when you will read it, you will read it also correct.
Okay.
Okay, but when you will go there, when you will write a letter, the things will be flushed out, and then you read the essay, you correct the essay, and then you read the letter and you correct the letter. Okay,
Okay.
so always attempt the task 2 first and then task 1.
Okay.
Okay. Another thing, if you can see, like, see, still they are using like the students ing, speaking an exotic language, and then they are using owing to, and they are writing, see, the good thesis. You will find the all the things, the format to commence with. On the other hand,
Yeah.
in other
I'm
words,
using it. Yeah. In today essays, I uses everything like to commence with on the contemporary or ing words or if sentence. I use
good.
everything.
And you remember this I gave you yesterday, taking institutions as an illustration, like taking and whatever is the example, taking fish as an
Yeah.
illustration, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you should use that, like, these students were using it like into their these attempts.
Okay.
Okay with that, right? So I
Yes.
believe like it is copyright. Yeah, it's content is protected. You cannot
Yeah.
right click or something, but still you can read
Okay.
it from the site, right? And there
Yes.
are, if you are feeling something problematic with the reading or listening, you can, I feel like, go and read stuff, because they have, I guess, given tips on short answers, on everything, like,
Okay.
flowchart
Okay.
questions, table completion questions. So whatever the question is, they have given the steps to do it, like, and it's available
Okay.
open. It's kind of open source, so I guess you should do that for today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, for
Okay.
listening. And you can even go for speaking. I don't know what is there in speaking, I never checked it. Let me see. In the listening also there are all the tips there.
Okay.
Okay, in speaking, okay, they have given some sample questions. Yes, they have given some sample answers, like
Okay.
what you can
I'll check
say.
it.
You can read it, okay? And there is some vocabulary
Yeah.
that is used in giving the sample answer, so they have hinted out that. Wait, something happened in here. Owing to the same job position in the firm, goods chart, competition is highly increasing within different age groups. Instead of older people, young people is facing a lot of problem to get equal task in the company. You remember, I told you like you will write it like a single line, like this all. Okay, this is a single line. Okay. No, why you are having a line split here? You getting me right?
Yes. I can use
You can use combine,
like
like you can.
whereas.
Yes, you can use whereas, or you can use while here, and then you can use although in the, in my opinion. You can
Yeah.
use while older people, like, while young generation face a lot of problem due to equal task in the company, or wait, instead of older people, younger people generation face a lot of problem.
I thought I use instead of, so that's why I didn't use the
But was it there
while.
in the question, like this thing, instead of older people, younger generation is waiting alone? I believe this line was there in the question or not?
It's not.
If it is or not there, then why it is here? Like in paraphrasing, we never add information from our side. Like it was not there, right? Like because it is like
Like it's written more younger people need to compete with the older people. Like they are competing.
increasing.
So that's why I use instead of older people, they are competing with them.
Okay, but you then you will say like they are not. Generation face a lot of problem to get the equal task. Owing to the same job position in the firm competition. Owing to the same job position in the firm is highly increasing within different age groups. Owing to increasing competition for same job position. Owing to increasing competition for same job positions. No, will not use owing to. Owing to means because of the increasing competition of same job position. Owing to increasing competition for same job
So
positions.
the same location, different competition.
It could be something like young and old generation. I need to see the question because job positions, but still it looks like incomplete to me. Can you see the question once? Just give me a minute. Now see over here, nowadays more and more young people need to compete with old people for the same jobs. Right? So you are going to paraphrase
Yeah.
only this much line, okay? You will
Yeah.
not add any more line into it. So it will be
Okay.
something increasing
Increasing competition, increasing number of
okay, you can still do the change in structure, but the only thing is you will not write anything out of this. Got it?
okay.
Like even if the word
Yeah.
problem is, if there is no word for problem, so we'll not go for any word related to problem.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that will be this much will be only the paraphrasing. We don't need any more bigger line. Obviously, you can play in here with 2 or 3 words up and down there, but don't go
Okay.
beyond that, adding more information. Okay? So even
Okay.
for the in my opinion, it would work like in my opinion. You can have like some line for what we say this thing. In my opinion, Okay, one line for reason, one line for problem, and one line for solution, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you see carefully, what I did is I kept in mind two things. I kept in mind one thing while paraphrasing. I just saw the question and I didn't go out of the question, right? And while writing, in my opinion, I wrote about the problems here. It has led to some serious issues between both the generations, right? So this line is for
Yeah.
the problems because I'm going to write the first paragraph on the problem
Okay.
for examiner to understand this is about problem. Then arising owing to older people continuing for longer periods is something I'm giving for the reasons.
Okay.
Okay, after owing to, I'm going for the reasons here. And this line I have written for the solution.
Okay.
So similarly, you have to cover all the aspects of the question.
Yes.
Got the point, right? So this line is for
Yeah.
when you are writing thesis, you see what the question is asking. The question is asking for problem, reason, and solution. So I wrote all the three in here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so just take a screenshot. So this much is enough for the introduction. You don't
Okay.
need to have any more information. Like all, obviously your paraphrasing could look a little different, your thesis could look a little different, but no more information is required in the introduction.
Okay.
Done, right?
Yeah.
And done with the screenshot also.
Yes.
Then I can keep it handy for some student confused with that. Okay, coming back onto your sheets now. Now you got the problem with the introduction, right?
Yes.
And you see, like you have written a
Because
lot. No, no,
I
no,
explain the points, like how is it going
no, 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 no. This is very long introduction and like already disclosing many things that you are going to write in the paragraphs.
on? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, to embark on the possible reasons of youth to fight with older people for safe job. Okay, as older people work for longer, there are less jobs for the yes. The main reason of golden ages for longer working, they do not want to sit free after. Why didn't you give it a good shape? Like you were having so many ideas. Why didn't you use firstly and then in other words, then secondly and besides? Like what I'm saying is you were having a lot of points that I gave you, right? So you could have written
Yes.
firstly, then one point without giving ideas, but you could still use the points firstly, Then point
Like
for
I thought if I don't have like much information, then I cannot use firstly and secondly.
okay, not using firstly, but still like in other words, another connector. The only problem is you remember saying cohesion and coherence, right? So
Yeah,
that in that point we need to have
I can
connectors.
use like however, moreover.
More,
Furthermore, I can
yes.
use it, right?
After to
Okay,
embark on in this whole, I cannot see any connector.
okay,
No, consequently, no other part, right? So at least try
okay.
to whenever you are starting a new sentence, okay, this is the starting idea. I'm okay. But what about this
Okay.
sentence? Like what this sentence is doing to the previous sentence? Because these are two different ideas I feel, or like you try and connect it, or you use besides if you're just adding more information, right? And another thing,
Yes.
you can, if you are having three paragraphs, always try to start the first paragraph with to commence with, because commence means
Okay.
start, right?
Okay.
Now second paragraph you can write relating to or pertaining to, like for these types where you cannot write on the other hand. And third paragraph you can write like with regards to.
Pertaining to means like, sir, on the other hand.
No, pertaining to means related to, like pertaining to solutions. So it means now it is about solutions, or pertaining to
Okay.
issues or something, right?
Okay.
That becomes with regards to solutions. So it should be like to commence with reasons. It was like this.
Yeah. And
Pertaining
pertaining to
to
causes.
issues, no. Reasons and causes are synonym of each other. When you
Yeah.
want to write problems, you need to write issues,
Okay.
and then it comes solutions.
Okay.
Got the point, right?
Yes.
The three should look like this. To
Okay.
compete with seniors, young people will have to compete with older people who have more experience. To illustrate, after completing degree from college or universities, like see, after completing degree from universities, right? So you can
Yeah.
make it better and simply write after completing university education.
Okay.
Got it? Like after completing
Yes.
university
No need to
education.
use these words.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that looks more precise and more mature writing. Instead of completing
Okay.
degree from college or universities, then why now I'll tell you what happened with here. It is written college like a single and universities in a plural form. So either it should be from colleges or universities, or it
All
should be from college
universities.
or a university. But if you write down
Okay.
like might be university education, or I'll give you another word for university education because sometimes the question comes tertiary education.
Tertiary. Okay.
Like primary education, secondary education, and then tertiary education.
Tertiary education. Okay.
Okay, so tertiary education also means university education. So if some
University
essay comes
education.
on university education, you can talk about once university, second time tertiary.
Okay.
Okay with this one, right?
Yes.
Just take a screenshot here.
Yes, sir. It's done.
Okay. Just a second. I'm not judging this essay. We can keep the like tomorrow essay for that, because
Okay.
I'm afraid like this one will not go good and will make it like
Yeah.
However, when they are going to the interview, they are refused by the company because of the experience. See, because of experience, because
Refused.
recruiter always give more preference to who have higher experience, which can be found in older people. They will try to make it more precise. However, when they see,
Because of
when
the
you are
experience, the
writing,
recruiter
however,
always.
just remember when you are writing, however, now this
Okay.
part is not the part of the example. You're getting me? Like when you have put a full stop, for me to illustrate has ended here. So this part is not the part of example. So this is the second part of the paragraph. And if it is beginning with however, it means you are going opposite to the whatever notion you were discussing here from starting. Might be from here.
Okay.
You were talking something from here, and till here it is you were talking about the same thing.
First point.
And
Yeah.
now the second point you are going in opposite to that. But
Okay.
you are not doing that, right? However, over here means
Yeah.
on the other hand.
It's moreover. I need to use that.
You
Moreover
can
or
go
furthermore.
moreover, or you can make it like a second part, and also it is looking like more of an example by saying they refuse, and then just because of experience, because is repeated. So you need to take care of these lines more.
Okay.
Okay, because from tomorrow most of the points I have covered, I'll make you see some good essays, okay? And
Okay.
like I'll try and discuss at least one good essay daily, like I'll make you see the attempts. And I would really want you to re-attempt this one, okay?
Okay.
Because there are a lot of things, and before re-attempting this one, just do the benchmarking. Like you understand what is benchmarking, right? Benchmarking means like you critically consider that why and how the lines and examples are written. Okay, so that NMILS, that website I gave, you go into the writing section, you read all the 3 essays that are 3 or 4 or 5 essays are posted there, you read them, and then you try and attempt it in a similar way.
Okay.
You got the point, right? So you will,
Yeah.
like, if you see very easily, the whole of the format that I gave you is broken now.
Okay.
Right, like after to commence with, there is no in other words, or there is nothing else. And even for starting the second point, now I know that for you were writing to illustrate till good work is almost your example,
Yeah.
right? But for me it is looking like once the full stop is there, it ended here.
Okay.
Okay, then you are using despite of it to tackle this problem. There are numerous solutions. Okay, you can start. Firstly, should be fixed by fixing. Now see, firstly, retirement age should be fixed by the authorities. Your line ended here. Now what this line is going to do? Is it a new idea? Is it going to explain the previous line? Is it the example of the previous line? It is going to explain
Is
it, right?
explain the first line?
So you
Yeah.
will write what? Either in other words, or to put it in another
In
way,
other words.
or another way to say, right? So those
Yeah.
things are having points. That is why I'm insisting to add them.
Okay.
Okay, like almost 2.5 bands. Out of 2.5 bands you will be scored like might be 1 or 2 or 2.5 full, based on how much you are writing those points and organizing it.
Okay.
Okay, can you try re-attempting this one?
Yes, sir, sure.
Sure.
I'll do it.
Yeah, just
Yes,
make it a good
yes.
one. So you are having now 2 essays and 1 letter as a homework. Okay,
Yeah.
so I
Okay.
can check rest of it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So no worries. Let us meet up tomorrow then.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.